Consider the following scenario. You click on a YouTube video, watch it for 30 seconds, and then you get paid. I simply want you to take a look at all these YouTube videos right here, and if you can watch them for 30 seconds, you'll get paid for your efforts. As you can see here, some of the payment proofs have been provided: $10, $50, $20, $5, and $75. These are essentially pages and pages of real payment proofs on this website. Now, I'm beyond thrilled to share with you these 5 incredible websites where you can earn money simply by watching YouTube videos. So here's how much money you may expect to make on these websites. If you start with just one video website, you may earn around $18 per hour. Additionally, if you work on 3 websites, you may make $50. It is possible to make up to $130 per hour by working on 5 separate video watching websites at the same time. This means that it will be extremely vital for you to stay tuned until the end and learn all you possibly can about all of these 5 websites in order to maximize your profits. And don't worry, since all of these websites are 100% legit and are completely free to join in. Also, a little reminder that I'll provide you with a secret extra tip that will allow you to make double, if not 3 times, the amount of money that you will be earning right now. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. First of all, if you're watching this video, I'll assume that you already have a YouTube account, which is great since I won't have to show you how to make one. Now let's imagine, for example, you're going to use the search bar to find something. If you search for the term winter travel, you'll come across several videos about winter travel that you can watch for free. These are some examples of the types of videos that you'll be watching today. I'd like to show you 5 websites that enable you to watch simple YouTube videos, such as this one right here, and you could be earning a substantial amount of money online, just like all of these people from other places. The first website that we'll be using is called YouCubes. This is a website where you can earn cash online just by viewing websites, completing surveys, and watching videos. They were established in 2007 and they have almost 800,000 members as of today. They have also sent 20,000 payments to users using their platform. To sign up on their website, just click on the sign up button right here and then a form will appear. You will need to put in your email, password, full name, username, gender, date of birth, and the country where you live in. As we can see here on the list of countries, almost all the countries are available here, which makes this website truly available worldwide. After doing that, you now have an account on YouCubes and you can start watching videos. Before I introduce the other money-making websites, I will first give you some of the strategies that I've used in watching videos efficiently. First off, you can watch as many videos as you can by opening a bunch of videos on different tabs of your browser. In this way, you can watch more videos in a short amount of time. Next tip that I'll be giving you is to lower the volume of the video or just mute the videos. Since you will be playing 4 to 5 videos at once, it will get noisy and confusing. So the best thing you can do is mute all the videos. Don't worry, they will still be playing in the background. The last tip that I'll give you is that if you have a slower internet connection, you can lower the quality of the video to its lowest settings. To do that, just click on the gear icon right here, and on the quality option, choose the lowest. By doing this, the video will continuously play in the background without stuttering. Now just follow my tips and efficiently watch videos on the other websites that I'll be introducing later on. The next website is called BoxinSite. On this website, you get paid every 10 seconds. That is right. You get paid for browsing websites and watching videos, and you can cash out instantly. And the minimum cash out is only $2. And the payment methods they use are PayPal, Payza, and other well-known payment methods. To sign up, just click on the register button right here on the top and complete the form. Just put in your username, your login email, and your login email is also your payment email. So make sure to double check if it is correct. Next, you need to specify the currency you're using, payment method, and your year of birth. The next thing is that they will ask you a question. What you're going to do is click on the image that the question specifies. After that, just click on register and you can now use your BoxinSite to earn money. The next website is called Fusion Cash. In this website, you can watch videos, do tasks, play mobile games, refer friends, and once you have completed any of these, you can be rewarded with cash. One neat thing about this website is when you first sign up for an account here, you get $5 sign-up bonus. Now that is the easiest $5 you could ever earn. To sign up, just click on the Get $5 button right here, and then you only need to fill up this form with your username, email, password, and zip code. After that, click on Register, and you'll need to verify your account using your email address. After doing all of that, you get a $5 bonus, and you can start earning money by watching videos here. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The fourth website on the list is called Irazu. On this website, you can earn money by downloading apps, answering paid surveys, completing offers, playing games, and most importantly, watching videos. They have already paid millions of dollars in cash to users on this account. To earn money here, first you need to complete tasks, in our case, watching videos. After doing these easy tasks, you can earn points per task that you do. Then these points can be converted into rewards such as Amazon gift cards or into PayPal cash. And when you sign up for an account here, you get 100 points for free. So to sign up for an account, just click on Get Started and then just fill up the form. After doing that, you can now look at the dashboard and watch some videos. In the rewards section, we can see here that there are a lot of rewards to choose from. For example, if you want to convert our points into PayPal cash, just click on PayPal and choose how much you want to receive. The minimum amount is $5 and the maximum is $50. Once you have chosen a specific amount, you just put in your PayPal email address and click Update. The amount should now be reflected in your PayPal account in a couple of minutes. The last website that I'll be showing you is called AppNana. This is a website for an app that you can use in both your Android or iOS device. On this app, you can earn points called nanas by doing a variety of tasks such as playing games and watching videos. Then these nanas can be used to redeem rewards such as PayPal cash, Xbox gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and more. They have over 500,000 downloads on the App Store, which means so many people are earning using this app. And you too can. Just download this app, register for an account, and start watching videos. For each video that you watch, you get a specific amount of nanas. And once you gain enough points, you can then convert it to rewards. Easy as that. So these are the 5 websites and apps that I have shown you today, and they are some of the most effective websites to earn money from. These websites are 100% legit, and I'm actually using them right now for earning extra income. All you need to do is just watch videos using these websites, and after that, you can earn money easily. Try them out now. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.